Sending money from a Forex card to a bank account is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, check the balance on your Forex card before initiating the transfer process. So, you need to check the balance on your Forex card. After that, find out the transfer fee and exchange rate. Next, initiate the transfer request. After that, enter the bank account details. Confirm the transfer and then wait for the transfer to be processed. If the transfer is initiated, check for a confirmation message or receipt. The card issuer may provide a reference number or confirmation email. Depending on the issuer, the processing time for the transfer may vary. Some transfers may take a few business days to reflect in the linked bank account. It's important to note that not all Forex cards may offer the option to transfer funds to a bank account. Some cards may have restrictions or fees associated with such transfers. Always refer to the terms and conditions provided by the card issuer or contact their customer support for precise instructions related to transferring funds from your Forex card to a bank account.